Hello, everybody. My name is Leo, and I'll be talking about this EURUSD trade that I didn't take because I was back testing my new strategy on a demo account. This trade had made me around 2.2% if I had taken it. But anyways, I think it's a very good lesson that I learned about market mechanics. So I'll be telling you about the trade. I'll go to a clear chart. So recently, I've been thinking about trading, and I wanted to trade market mechanics. Therefore, I think if I trade on the, let's say, 30 minutes or an hour time frame, sometimes see this choppy market, and then these, let's say Donald Trump is speaking, or we have some stats coming, I'll be wasting like a day not being able to trade because I'm trading the 30 minutes or to 1 hour. So maybe I'll do something like, let's say, enter here and target this high. And then this move will probably take sometimes around a day, sometimes, I don't know, maybe at least more than 6 hours. So I've been going back to doing a little scalping, been trading on 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame more recently, so I'll be talking about that trade. Anyways, so going to the 30 minutes time frame, I'll not start from the hourly time frame because as we can see, it's very bullish. I'll remove everything. So as we can see, this is very bullish, like that. And then we go to the 15-minute time frame, which is the time frame I'll be talking about mostly. This is still rather bullish. The our protected low is probably around here. As long as this low is not breaking, I think it's safe to say that I will be looking for longs only. Anyways, so I'll go ahead and use this, and I'll focus on the Tokyo session, which is the Asia session. So as we know, we have liquidity at Asia high, so that's the first thing that I'll be marking out. I think the previous Asia high is over here because this is London session, right? So the Asia high is here. Go ahead, mark Asia high, and this as my Asia low. Okay, Asia low, Asia low. So seeing this, okay, I'll close this, and 7 is a London Open. This is London. This candle is London Open. I'm also not very interested in trading anything before London, so I'll focus on London Open. So, anyways, we can see we have a very clear trend line over here. Touch twice, one time here, maybe redraw like that. We can kind of touch this the second time, so maybe touch once or twice here. Um, so this is my trend line liquidity. And this, I also have my trend line liquidity over here. Yeah, trend line liquidity. Okay, so going to the 5 minute time frame, you can see that we have this big move here. This big move, and it's a valid break of structure over here. We'll mark a break of structure, meaning this is a valid part, a valid order block, or whatever you want to call it. We have is it demand or supply? Anyways, I'll call it sport. So as we can see, price Asia high was over here as we drawn, whatever. Price retrace to touch this supply, and then we can see a valid break of structure right over here. That this push up retrace to this supply level, and then this supply level have enough liquidity to orders to push this to break this break this high. And then if we use a Fibonacci, then we have the high and the low, and you can see that price retrace back to the 0.5 level. Having said that, I entered right over here and placed my stop loss right under this this low right here in the order block, and I targeted high. Now normally I don't target the highs, I target it around this area, so